at the time they used two lock like this. Someone mentioned, but I don't know, maybe someone changed the outside the case. One like just like this one is like this, so I'm not sure. Maybe this one someone later changed the case, because at the time every case like has a two lock system. That's today's topic. Royal Deluxe. It's A model. The Royal started to make the portable typewriter the 1926. First one is P model, right? And then O model. And then 1934 they start A model, but at that time there is no specific name like this. But 1935 they started the A model with the name, the Deluxe. And then this one is 1935, right? I bought this Hazlet, Pennsylvania, 2024 March. And then this one is a first typewriter. It's 2025. I used the new ribbon for this one. This one is an old ribbon. Just 2 year different, right? And then 1937, and then 1938 they changed the name. That's Quiet. And then 1 year later they started to the very famous typewriter QDL, Quiet Deluxe. Yeah, so this is a first version of the QDL, the A. So very historical machine. But as you see around here, right? This one has the like this, right? Okay, let's see the press sheet. Better, right? This one and then this one, and then there is no that kind of stuff. And then they started like this one, 1936, maybe in the middle, because early 1936 it's the same like this. And then also they use the long lever for the line space. And then the A model, they start to the touch control, this one. Yeah, so this is a very like one of the, I think the best seller typewriter, best seller typewriter for from the Royal, the portable typewriter. This one is the they switch this one to the Quiet, and then 1939 they changed the name Quiet Deluxe. After that, later like this A model changed the Putra 800. I got Putra 800, and then later they switched to the name like and then design Sapari, and then Saburo. Yeah, actually Saburo is not A model, but the mechanically same maybe, but they use the P. What is the meanings here? They start A like this one, right? Yeah. So this is a very historical one. Okay. When I bought this one, it's a little bit sticky. It has a sticky, and then draw code detached. So I made a new draw code this one has the both almost same condition, a little bit dirty. I clean a lot. And then this one has a problem like this one. See, it's very, this one it's okay, right? But this one like this, but still work. And then this one a little bit bented when I bought this one. So at the time, this one does not work properly. Sticky, I clean a lot. After that, it works both together. And then this one is see, it's a picker like this. And then this one is elite. So that means bottom one is 10 character per inch. The upper one 12 character per inch. So new lip, I used this one new ribbon, so it's much clear, right? And then this one, I guess it's the same thing, but the feeling of touch, this one is a little bit softer, maybe because of the 10 character per inch, I don't know. So more the 2-year early version, right? But it's a little bit more soft for touch. Maybe another reason is when I bought this one, this already like set up like this. So that means more than I don't know how long, like 60 year or 80 year, like stay like that. Maybe that's why little bit this one is like stiff, but the platen is a very good condition, and that means I guess this one does not that much used. So just bought and then, but I don't know. But this chrome part a little bit, yeah. See, yeah, this one is almost perfect, even though 2-year early version. So overall, very close. This one and this one, cosmetic and everything, but only like a touch feeling. Little bit. This one is feel better. So and then behind it, you see the very clean and perfect, right? Same thing. This one exactly same thing. Very clean and perfect, right? Yeah. So, but this one a little bit expensive. They sell a little bit expensive, but other one like $20 different. That means little bit luxury style typewriter. As you see the before the case, yeah. So someone mentioned the 2-lock is the at that time they use, but this one is with the 1-lock case. So I don't know. Maybe later someone changed the case. I have no idea. I will compare later this one with the quiet, and then I will make another video compare this one with the quiet, and then later quiet deluxe, and then they change the body. Still, it's normally we call the QDL. Okay, beautiful typewriter. Key is beauty. Then this one also has the both carriage release button, and then this one is a push, means a variable line space, and then for the margin, see this one, and then bell sound is also beautiful. Let's see. Yeah, this one is a little bit better, maybe. See, we need more space. Okay. So eventually I have Elite and then Pika, so happy. Okay, thank you for watching.